Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to receive USDT on Binance. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on Deposit button here. If you do not have crypto asset, you can do P2P trading or buy with USD. Or if you have crypto asset, you can choose Deposit Crypto button. Binance support multiple network for USDT including ERC20 which is Ethereum or TRC20 which is TRON or BEP20 which is BSC named as Binance Smart Chain and BEP2 which is Binance Chain. Select a network that matches the one you will be using to send USDT to avoid losing funds. After that, you need to copy USDT deposit address. You also need to verify your account. After selecting a network, Binance will generate USDT deposit address. Copy the address to your clipboard. After that, use the address to send USDT from your external wallet or another exchange. Make sure the sending network matches the one you selected on Binance. Once the transaction is sent, wait for network confirmation. You will see your USDT in your Binance wallet after the transaction is confirmed. Always double check the network and address before transferring. Sending to the wrong address or network may result in permanent loss of fund. So that is how you can receive USDT on Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.